Hello students, welcome in Arvind's classes. Those are new, I want to introduce them. We are discussing CBSE Class 10 FIT course and it is a HTML chapter 10 and in this tutorial we are going to discuss your base font tag and a font tag, its difference and how we would use in a web page, and next there is as usual one quiz. In the last we have a surprise for you. So without wasting time, let us start. This one is your base font tag and it is your font tag. First difference is your base font is a empty element. You know what is empty element? I remind you, empty element has only initial tag, no end tag. The same way, see here, your base tag has only initial element and these are its attributes. Okay, that's why it is called empty element. Now we switch to your font tag. And your font tag is a container element. Why? I think you know a container element has initial tag as well as end tag. So here your font tag has its initial tag and these are attributes and it is your end tag. That's why it is called container element. Come to second difference. Your base font tag set face, color, size of the text in a whole web page. What does it mean by your font tag set? Same thing, face, color, size of the text in a specific area of a web page. Now see here, it is your MS Word file. Suppose it is your web page, right? When we talk about your text style, mean to say text face. So I take one sentence and this is your text face. Means how you want to write your text. It is a text face. That is a attribute of your font tag face. Okay. Like it's now Times New Roman. Second one is your text size. It is your text size. Okay, it is your text size. Now come to text color. It is your text color. See, your base font tag set font face, color and size of the whole web page. Okay, whole web page. Now come to font tag. In font tag, if you want to change the size, color and shape of a specific area of your web page. Suppose I want to change color of this portion and want to change size of this portion. I want to change face of this portion. This thing is done with the help of your font tag. Okay, and this thing is done with the help of your base font tag. Okay, see here, with the help of base font tag we set the text style of a whole web page, but with the help of font tag we set font style, color and size of a specific area. Understood? Come to third point. It is your format of your base font tag, and this one is a format of your base font tag and it is a format of your font tag, and these both are very easy to remember. Only there is a difference of your tag. Here we use base font and here we use font, and all the attributes are same. See here, face, size, size, here we have a color, here we have a color, right? So I think you have understood the difference between font tag and a base font tag. So let us next we see practically how these are used. So this is your base font, and these three are its attribute. First one is a face, where we set font style. Second one is your size, and here we set your font size, like a 15, 16, 17. As we increase number, its size also increase in same proportion. Third one is color, and here we write color name. And one thing is very important, it is an empty tag because it has initial tag. See, there is no end tag. Come to font tag. Font tag has the same attribute, face, size, and a color, and it has your end tag. That's why it is called container tag. Understood? Now let us we see practical. So we open your notepad, and it is your main program, basic structure of your HTML, and this is your head portion, and it is your body portion. And here we start with your base font tag. Base font, and first of all we use first attribute, that is face, FACE equal to, and we write font style Times Roman, Times New Roman. And next we use size, and we set 20. Next we use color, COLOR, and we set color red. Okay, and this your base font tag is ready, and here we write one sentence. This is base font tag, full stop. And now let us we see its output. Control S, and it is your web page. Let us we refresh it. See, this is a base font tag. I think it is not visible to you. We better increase its size, so that we can do with the help of your heading tag. So H1, and here end of your H1. And one thing you notice, your this text is coming just at this corner. Better we use here margin, top margin and left margin, LEFT MMARGIN, and we set 50, not a 50, 20, 30 is enough, and top margin MARGIN. I think you know what is the use of your top margin, left margin. If you have any confusion, go to previous tutorial, and there you can check how we can use these margins. Okay, let us we see its output, what happens. Yeah, now it is, I think, visible to you. And one thing you noticed, see here, we have written size 20 and color red, but here color is not red, it is black. So I want to remind you, your base font tag does not work in Google Chrome, Firefox and other browsers, and it does not support your HTML5. And you know HTML5 is your latest version of your HTML. So better we check this text in an old browser, and that is your, what we call it, Internet Explorer. Now I open this file with the help of Internet Explorer. Open with Internet Explorer. Now see, it is working here. Yeah, this is base font tag. Okay, now we use your font tag here. Better we copy, and here I use big, enter, paste, and here I use again break, enter, and here I use font tag. Copy this code, copy, paste, use only font tag, and our font is ready. And here better we use blue, BLUE, and here we use these two sentence, copy, paste, and here we write base font, no, only font, and here we close your font tag. Now see its output. Yes, we better write here also, Control V, okay, Control S. Now yeah, refresh it, right click, refresh. Now see my dear, I think now you compare this output with your this page. This red color text, again this red color text is like a base font tag that set color, style, and shape of your whole web page, and this font tag is used to set font, color, size, and text of a specific area, of a particular area. Now see here is base font tag. This one is also with the help of base font tag that we have used at this initial part of your web page, means it is an empty tag, and this specific area is with the help of your font tag. Now again let us we compare it with your this notepad file. I better minimize it. Now compare it. This is a base font tag, this is a base font tag. This one, this is a base font tag, this is a base font tag, that is base font tag, color red, and this one is base font tag, base font tag. Okay, now this one coding is with the help of your font tag, size, blue color, and these two text, font tag, see here, font tag. Now come again, this one portion is your again base font tag, and this one is your base font tag. Okay, I think you have understood how we use your font tag and base font tag. So just now, dear student, we discuss your base font tag with its attributes, as well as we discuss font tag and we discuss its attribute. So I think you have understood how we use your base font and font tag. So let us we switch to new slide and see what is there. Oh, it is your quiz. Let us we check how much we have learned. So before quiz, we want to just remind ourselves what we discussed. Here first of all, we compared difference between base font and a font tag. Your base font tag is a empty element, on the other hand font tag is a container element. Your base font tag set face color, size, and a style of a whole web page. Again I repeating, whole web page. But in a contrast, your font tag set face, color, and size of a specific area, of a particular area. Next we discuss its format, how we use. Next we discussed its all attribute and how we use in a HTML coding. So let us we start quiz, and your first question is, which type of element is your base font tag? Only one. It has only one tag, So that tag is called what type of element? Yeah, you are right. It is called your empty element. Very good. And next one is how many attributes a font tag has. I think both the font tags, whether it is a base font or a font tag, both have a same attribute. And yeah, your answer is right. It has a 3 attributes. Very good. Next question is which type of element is font tag? Just it is a opposite of your base font tag. Yeah, I think you have understood. Your base font tag is a container element. Very good, it's a container element. Now come to your next question. Which attribute is used to set font style? Font style, how we use? Yes, you are right, that we use set with the help of your face attribute. Very good. And there is second last question, and that is which attribute is used to set your text color? And it is very easy to find out because its attribute also start with the same word. Yeah, right, that is color attribute. And there is last question, and your last question is which attribute is used to set font size? Yeah, very easy, size, and that also starts with the same word, size. Very good, you have understood what we have discussed here. So dear, you got 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have got 6 out of 6 marks. Very good, good job. So now we switch to next tutorial and see what is there. That is surprise. And today's surprise is what is embedded computer? Do you know? I give you 5 seconds. 5 4 3 2 1. Yeah, let's see. Your embedded computers are computers that are joined with any device and make that device more smarter. Like here we have a washing machine, and this washing machine has a embedded computer, and your washing machine works automatically with the help of your embedded computer. In the same way, embedded computers are today used in number of devices, aeroplanes, car, bikes, number of gadgets. Do you want to see how your embedded computer looks like? See, it is your embedded computer. This one is your embedded computer that is used inside your any machine, any device. So my dear student, today your tutorial completes here, and I hope you have understood it, enjoyed it, and if you found this tutorial was really very helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel so that you can be up to date with the upcoming new tutorials. Thank you very much. Have a good day.